Ebot robotic cleaning systems from Intellibot. Safe, smart, automated technology that boosts productivity and leaves floors cleaner than ever. Ebots operate as crew members. They perform the time-consuming and monotonous floor cleaning jobs, leaving other staff members free for more detailed cleaning tasks and higher skilled jobs. With Intellibot's new complex area navigation, the Ebot can maneuver through the facility safely according to your instructions and standards. People moving about busily and objects left in Ebot's path are never a problem when encountered and are easily avoided without disrupting the cleaning process. Ebots are very reliable and need no supervision. Simply add the necessary cleaning solution, turn on the key, and they operate completely on their own for hours. Here's how Ebot can work for you. The Intellibot technical consultant assigned to your account will work on-site with you and your staff to create the optimal cleaning routine, taking full advantage for you of all of Ebot's advanced features. By walking the Ebot once through each cleaning area along the planned floor cleaning route, the robot will actually record each area's dimensions and contours, thereby learning the exact cleaning pattern requirements and storing the information permanently in memory. During the walkthrough of the facility at the time of installation, the Ebot will also learn the pathways that it is to take to transition automatically from one cleaning area to another without human intervention or assistance. Once the cleaning routine is set and the maps recorded, Ebot is ready to go and can operate by itself from that day forward. There are no programming requirements and no complicated commands. Of course, at any time thereafter, the operator can change this original cleaning plan through a simple map editing process. Simple controls make Ebot easy to use. All the operator must do is position the mobile Rebot at the desired starting point and enter 3 or 4 simple commands on a touchpad before leaving the area. Ebot takes care of the rest, even signaling the operator hours later when its cleaning routine is completed. For safety purposes, the Ebot automatically stops when an unexpected obstacle is encountered to allow time for it to move. If the object doesn't move within the prescribed number of seconds, the Ebot simply goes around it, assuming it to be a stationary object, and continues the cleaning routine on its own. Ebot is available in 2 models, a dry vacuum for carpeted areas and a scrubber vac for hard surfaces. Both machines leave floors clean, dry, and ready for immediate traffic. Preventative maintenance and extended service plans are available on the Ebot. Not only are Ebots safe, reliable, and easy to use, they're also very cost-effective. Users are reporting major productivity increases and cash paybacks of less than 1 year on their investments in the Ebot, which has an expected useful life of 5 years. And with Intellibot's new complex area navigation capability, you can be assured that every square foot in the mapped route is cleaned every day without exception. Robotic technology is no longer a dream of the future. Ebot by Intellibot. The future is here and now.